Are you thinking about AAA for your car insurance? Let's break down their coverage, membership rules, and discounts, and whether the AAA name lives up to the hype. So, AAA stands for the American Automobile Association, and it offers the standard car insurance essentials: liability, bodily injury and property damage, collision, comprehensive, and uninsured/underinsured motorist coverage. Plus, you'll find standout add-ons like accident forgiveness, new vehicle replacement, loan/lease payoff, and a 12-month rate lock, depending on your region. So to get AAA insurance, you must be an active AAA member through your regional club, which comes with an annual membership fee. Insurance packages, pricing, and availability vary widely by state and club. In some cases, you may even have to switch insurance providers if you move to a different region. AAA rewards loyalty and proactive members. Longevity discount, you can save up to 12% after 3+ uninterrupted years. Paid in full discount, typically around 5%. Original vehicle owner discount up to 5%, and good student, which is up to 15%. On average, AAA's coverage tends to cost significantly more than some big-name competitors, around $3,014 annually versus the $2,399 national average. However, loyal members and clean risk drivers may offset higher rates through membership discounts and bundled perks. So is AAA car insurance worth it? Yes, if you value trusted roadside assistance, local agent support, and loyalty benefits, and are already or willing to become a member. Maybe not if you're looking for the cheapest rates or you want full online capabilities, especially if you have a less than perfect driving record.